I've got 10 reasons why you should buy the ASUS Art Pro Studiobook 17. Let's check it out. But before we get started, go ahead and slap that like button as it does help out the channel. Let's get to the 10 reasons why you want to buy the ASUS Pro Art Studiobook 17. Reason number 1, it has a beautiful screen. Like, this thing is impeccable, it's already pre-calibrated. It does have a unique 16:10 aspect ratio, and it is just gorgeous. So if you're going to be doing any type of work on this machine, such as graphic design or video editing, it is a very, very accurate screen. Number 2, this thing is fast. It has 2 NVMe SSDs in RAID 0, and it is just blazing fast. Number 3, it's got a pretty decent touchpad. I do like it. It is not quite as good as, say, like a MacBook Pro or a Surface Book 3, but it is still very nice. Reason number 4, this thing is super, super powerful. With its i7 processor and proper cooling design, you cannot get this thing to throttle no matter what you throw at it. It's awesome. Reason number 5, this thing's got 32 gigs of RAM and a freaking laptop. Like, who needs that much? I mean, I run a handful of virtual machines, and that's still a lot of space for me to grow. Reason number 6, it has a RTX 2060 in it. It's a pretty powerful GPU for a laptop. And again, because it's got proper cooling, it's not going to slow down under load. Okay, number 7, this has Wi-Fi 6, so you don't have to upgrade the Wi-Fi card in it. It's already future-proofed. Number 8, now I know I did already talk about the LCD, but I just want to, again, talk about it, that it is calibrated for professional use. Number 9, this thing you can use on the go as a editing machine. It's more than powerful enough to be able to handle most people's workflows. Granted, it's still not quite as fast as a high-end desktop, but if you had to, this machine can handle it. And number 10, I know I've been talking about how it doesn't throttle, but it really does not throttle. You can throw whatever you want at this thing, and it just keeps plowing right through it. It's amazing. Now, ASUS does have some utilities on it that actually go ahead and optimize your experience with various programs, such as programs made by Adobe. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description down below so you can check that out as well. Now tell me what you think about this laptop. Would you get one? I mean, it is $2,000, so it is out of a lot of people's price points, but if it's in the budget, this thing is a beast. Let me know what you think about it down in the comment section below. And thank you for making it all the way through this video. I do appreciate your support. If you haven't already, go ahead and slap like on that video, and if you dislike this video, or if you really disliked it, do a mega dislike, and I'll teach you how to do that in just one sec. You go ahead and slap dislike twice, and then go ahead and slap like 3 times, and then it's mega disliked. Thank you so much for watching. Blah, 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 blah.